guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sandra, not Sandra, because my mom doesn't know how to pronounce Sandra. She's very Dominican. On Instagram, I am Sanj MUA, so that's SANJXMUA. My last YouTube video and my first, I did not record an intro, and it was just because it was like one of those now or never kind of things. So I was like, now girl, like you're posting that right now. But now for this video, I decided to record an intro for you guys, let you guys know who I am. I'm a post-mac artist, licensed cosmetologist. I do this on a regular on Instagram, but I wasn't ballsy enough to come on YouTube, but now we're here. Now we're here, and we're one now, you know? So don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to do many more of these looks. You see this? We're gonna be popping like this, boo. We're gonna be real popping. Like 2019, we're gonna be real cute. Real cute. But yeah, in this video, I am going to go step by step on how to recreate this real cute, I said that many times already, but yeah, this makeup look inspired by a little Cookie Monster over here, because you know we all love Cookie Monster. I'm a 90s baby. If you know, you know. You know, you know. So let's get started. So first, I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the shade dark brown, and because I'm using a darker shade than I usually do, I'm going to just lightly line my brows and lightly feather them in, just so they have a much more natural look. So using a spoolie, I'm gonna run it through my eyebrows, and what this is gonna do is just show me if I have any sparse areas in my eyebrows that I have missed, so I can go ahead and fill them in. Now taking my Benefit 24-hour brow setter, I'm going to run this through my eyebrows just to groom them and keep all the hairs in place. Now I'm using my Kylie Cosmetics concealer in the shade Maple to clean my eyebrows up, and this just makes them look so much cleaner and more defined. Taking that same concealer, I'm just going to apply them all over my eyelids and use this as the base for my eyeshadows. For this look, I'm using the Kylie Cosmetics Summer Palette and applying the shade Hottie all over my crease. Then using the shade Blazing, I'm going to apply this to the outer corners of my eyelid. So here I'm using two discontinued MAC Reflect pigments, but to get a color like this, you can actually use the Desi x Katy blue in their palette. Here I'm using the Epic Ink eyeliner by NYX Cosmetics to line my lids. Off camera, I'm going to apply these lashes in the style Amber by K. Carter. To prime my face, I'm going to use the Soft Matte Primer by Fenty Beauty. Then I'm going to take the Tatcha, the Silk Canvas Primer, and just apply this in the areas where I feel like I have more noticeable pores or troubled areas. Taking Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Tan, I'm going to apply it to the areas of my face that I feel I have a little darkness. And with my Real Technique sponge, I'm just going to blend it all out. And this is going to help with our foundation application being a lot more even. So using my Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation by NARS in the shade Barcelona, I'm just going to apply this everywhere on my face with my Real Technique sponge. I didn't realize till after this video that I used a sponge for everything. Using the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in the shade Truffle, I'm just going to cream contour and apply this in the areas that I want a little more structure in. And this is just going to help define our facial features. So taking my MAC 168 brush, this is my favorite contouring brush of all time. I have not switched it in over like 4 years. I'm going to just blend all of that cream contour and make it look as seamless as possible because we want to look like we were born this way. For my nose contour, I'm using the Morphe M433 brush, and this brush I got from the Jaclyn Hill favorite brush kit, her first one that she originally came out with Morphe. So to highlight and conceal my under eyes, I'm using the Kylie Cosmetics concealer in the shade Maple once again. So using my Derma Blend Illuminating Banana Powder, I'm going to use this to just set my under eyes. And at first it's going to look like I'm baking, but I'm literally just going to apply it all over my face in the areas that I feel like I need to set. And then we're just going to wipe it right off. I love this powder. It's just super smooth, super velvety. It does not leave a cakey finish behind, and it's definitely illuminating. I was a fan of Dermablend's translucent powder to begin with, and then this banana shade completely sold me. So using this brush from the Jaclyn Hill's collection, I'm just going to wipe all of that powder off. I didn't notice that I wasn't recording and didn't get the blush contour and bronzing for you guys, but I'll list it down below. Using the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette, I'm taking that blue shade and applying it to my water and bottom lash line for a pop of blue. Taking the shade A Moment from the Desi and Katy eyeshadow palette with Dose of Color, I'm going to apply it to my lower lash line. So I'm going to take the shade Marry Me from the Kylie and Jordyn palette and Nylon from MAC and apply this to my inner corners for an icy inner corner. So taking Max Fix Plus, I'm just going to spray this all over my face to make sure everything comes together, and it's just going to give us a beautiful seamless look. Like, do you see how seamless that looks? With this handheld fan, I'm just gonna make sure everything dries. Taking NYX Cosmetics lip liner in espresso, I'm just going to line my lips. I love this lip liner. And to finish this look off, I'm going to be using the KKW Kim Kardashian and Mario lipstick and gloss. You know, it came out real cute. It came out real cute. So, hey, you poppin'? Who do you think you are? Like, who do you think you are? Just like and subscribe. Do not forget to like and subscribe because we're fam now. Like, y'all not going anywhere. There's a whole different level of hype now. Like, now I could really hype myself up. Now I could really hype myself up for this intro. Like, what's up? What up? What up, though? Dang, so skippers, okay, so you got hair now. You got hair now. You don't know how to act. You got hair now. Sunch.